Welcome, Sachin.
Hi.
We would like to ask you a couple of questions. Many of our friends and relatives have been asking about the difference between sanitizer and a disinfectant, and also you were mentioning about the third one. So, if you can give us a brief intro about all those, would really appreciate. And further, we can do part A, B, C later.
All right, that sounds good. So, the terms disinfectant and sanitizer came about mainly because of the EPA, the Environmental Protection Agency. It's an agency, it's a branch of the federal government, and it was established probably in the 1970s. And the EPA basically has standardized methods that we use to kill microbes. What are microbes? Microbes are bacteria, fungi, viruses, all these little creatures, single celled organisms that generally can make us sick. Most of them are harmless, however. So, there are three categories, like we mentioned before. The first is sanitizer. A sanitizer is the lowest level of them of all the antimicrobials. This basically means that it only kills most, but definitely nowhere near all germs. Specifically, they will kill most bacteria, but they won't necessarily wipe out some of the most virulent, most dangerous, most pathology causing bacteria. Some of these, in fact, might form something called spores. Spores are very, very hard to kill, and that is specifically why we have these different classes. So now, the second level is called a disinfectant. A disinfectant is much more powerful than a sanitizer. A disinfectant will kill pretty much all bacteria. It'll even get rid of some spores. Now remember, spores are very, very resistant bacteria. They've essentially gone into hibernation, and it is very, very tough to kill them. Now the third level, and the most powerful one, is a sterilant. A sterilant is essentially a full spectrum biocide. Biocide as in biocide. Side means to kill. Killing all biology, all life. A biocide will kill everything. That's why it's called a sterilant. That's why when we refer to something as being sterile, it means that there is nothing that's living in it. When something is sterilized, it means that we have fully killed anything that is alive on it, be it harmless or pathological. We don't care. We just want it to be completely free of any biological activity.
Thank you, Sachin, for giving the brief intro on all the three different